Bitcoin ETFs gobble another $477 million despite rising GBTC sales. Andrew Throuvalas last updated February 17, 2024 at 24:10 GMT plus 21 min read. Source: AdobeStock Bitcoin spot ETFs in the United States absorbed another $477 million in net flows on Thursday, maintaining record growth despite a revival of outflows from the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust GBTC. Data compiled from BitMEX research shows that Bitcoin ETFs have absorbed over $400 million of flows for 5 of the last 7 trading days. Since launch, they've now soaked up over $4.5 billion in BTC, or $11.3 billion when discounting outflows from Grayscale. Non-stop flows for Bitcoin ETFs. About $330 million of flows went into BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust IBIT, a top 5 daily performance for the fund so far. The Bitwise Bitcoin ETF BIP, the 4th largest of the 9 newly launched ETFs, saw its best day besides launch day, absorbing $120.2 million in funds. Grateful to investors and trusting Bitwise to steward their investment, Bitwise CEO Hunter Horsley tweeted on Thursday. Excited about 2024 for Bitcoin. Investors, opposite to BlackRock and Biwise, Grayscale has suffered non-stop losses since converting into a Bitcoin ETF on January 11. The firm's relatively high fees encouraged investors to find cheaper BTC investment options. Additionally, long-term investors have taken the opportunity to cash out of the fund since its share discount was restored to parity upon conversion, including the FTX bankruptcy estate with its $900 million GBTC stash. The BTC supply and demand mismatch. Earlier this week, another bankruptcy estate was approved to sell its $1.3 billion in GBTC shares. Genesis, the trading desk that shares DCG as a parent company with Grayscale. Some onlookers suspect the approval is what's driven up GBTC outflows in recent days, possibly halting Bitcoin's price momentum at $52,000. Outflows ramped up from $72 million on Wednesday to $132 million on Thursday, and again to $174 million on Thursday. Given the ongoing demand for Bitcoin ETFs, some analysts, including Bitwise CIO Matt Haugen, have noted that Bitcoin is currently under a major supply/demand mismatch between the number of BTC produced since the ETFs went live versus the number absorbed by ETFs each day. With ETF demand, we're just eating through the available for sale supply at $50 TWAC until there's none left, on-ramp COO Jesse Myers wrote to X on Friday. At that point, price has to jump to the next price level where there are willing sellers. Follow us on Google News.